Hey, so let's say you're working in Adobe Illustrator to create files. And then you've gone to Google how to export Adobe Illustrator files into Keynote or PowerPoint. And all you've gotten is results for this kind of older plugin that doesn't seem to work with newer versions of Adobe. And so you're a little stuck, right? Well, here's how to actually export Adobe Illustrator files into Keynote or PowerPoint without having to use any plugins, etc. So what you're going to do is let's say you're working in Illustrator, we're going to go ahead and place some shapes and some text, and this is your file, whatever you need in here. Biggest things, right, would probably be like shapes, images, and text. So we're going to place a couple of those in there. First step, you're going to export your Adobe Illustrator file. You're going to save a copy, and you're going to save it as a PDF. And we're going to do, let's see, Adobe to Keynote test. So yeah, export it as a PDF, save it wherever you want to. You can just use the Illustrator default. It doesn't matter, whatever you need to do. If you have high quality images you want to retain the quality on, go ahead and do your settings however you want. You can Google that shit elsewhere. Save that PDF. Next, you're going to go find that PDF, which is going to be on your desktop or wherever you've exported it to, and you're going to open that with Adobe Acrobat. In Adobe Acrobat, you can see that your text is still editable, your shapes should still be editable, everything in here should look good, so you don't want to touch anything really. You're just going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Export To, and then you're going to come right here to PowerPoint Presentation, and you can save that to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. So now you've got your you've got a PowerPoint file essentially, right? So you've gone from Illustrator to Adobe Acrobat to PowerPoint. Now with that PowerPoint, you can open that with Keynote, and your text is still editable, your shapes should still be movable, your images, all that shit. So right, so now it's a Keynote file. You can save this, or if you want that as a PowerPoint, you don't have to open it with Keynote, you can just have it as a PowerPoint. You can upload that to Google if you need Google Slides, whatever you need to do. So now essentially you've got a file that can be PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides, any of that, still editable. And of course, if you have a better designed graphic, it'll still retain all your stuff.